Is your Hyundai key fob not working? It probably needs a new battery. Most Hyundai fobs use a CR2032 or CR2025 coin battery. First, gather a CR2032 battery, a small flathead screwdriver, or a plastic pry tool to avoid scratches. Look for a notch or seam on the fob, often near the keyring. Some fobs have a hidden key blade that you'll need to remove first by pressing the release button. Insert your tool into the seam and gently twist to separate the halves. Avoid forcing it, as there may be internal clips. Once open, you'll see the battery. Pop it out, noting which side is up plus. Clean any corrosion with a dry cloth. Now that you've got the old battery out, insert the new CR2032 battery with the plus side facing up. Make sure it's properly seated in the holder. Snap the two halves of the fob back together firmly. Test the fob by pressing the buttons. The lights should flash and the car should respond. If it doesn't work, you might need to reprogram the fob. Check your vehicle's manual for instructions on how to do this, or visit a Hyundai dealership. Finally, remember to recycle the old battery at an e-waste facility. If you had trouble opening the fob, applying a little heat from a hairdryer on low can help loosen it. For newer smart fobs, ensure Bluetooth is enabled post-replacement for full functionality.